purging is at last at hand. The day of doom is here.
What will your world be without me?
And on to this, O now, destined to bear the due crown of Babylonia upon a troubled ground. It is I, his chronicler, who alone can tell thee of his saga. Let me tell you of the days of high adventure.
We're gonna make some passes right quick. So we're running the Whipple 3.0, the same one that's on the drag pack, and it's run by a cable. It's been some adjustment that we had to do to get to it as far as learning. But Whipple does make a second one that's ran by drive-by-wire. I opted not to do the drive-by-wire, and I wanted to do the one similar to the drag pack. Anyway, you know what we're doing, Snatching Souls. We out. Peace. Tell us about your truck. What type of truck is it and how do you have it set up?
It's a 75 lug truck. It's just a 350/60 over, and it's got a 106 on it, blow through, with a 930 CSU carburetor on it.
Wow.
It's street legal.
It's street legal.
Yeah.
Man, it's amazing when you look at it. It really looks intimidating. Even with the big turbo and stuff in the front.
Yeah.
Good Lord. Man, I didn't know what it was gonna do. Do you bracket race with it or you grudge?
No, I grudge.
You grudge with
I ain't been out in about 4 years.
Oh, okay. So
I had twin turbos on it, but I took them off.
Yeah. Put the one big. How big is this turbo?
106.
106. Wow. How much does it weigh? You mind me asking?
2600.
Woo. Is that with you in it or with you out of it?
No, it's been me out.
You in it. That is nice, man. You hurt a lot of feelings.
Yeah, I'm just making a light pass,
Yeah.
you know. trying to get used to it.
Sounds good. I like it. Good.
Thanks.
Good stuff. So look in the back. Wow. Nice. Really ball.
Hey guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and also click the bell. Check out the videos up at the top, and if you get a chance, check out our merch store. Peace.